Assalamualaikum students, welcome back to your online class of maths. Children, in today's class we are continuing the fifth chapter, that is numbers beyond 100. So let's start. In the previous class we have completed exercise 5.4. In today's class we are starting new topic, that is comparing and ordering numbers up to 1000. So children, look at each pair of numbers and compare. Here we have 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 1 ones, that is 241. And here we have 3 hundreds, 2 tens and 4 ones. So children, in 3-digit number you should compare the number which is on the highest place, that is ones, tens, hundreds. So which is the highest place here? Hundreds. So in 3-digit number you should compare the hundreds. So what we have here? We have 2 on hundreds here and 3 on hundreds here. So which is the greater, 2 or 3? 3. So this 324 is greater than 241. And you can also read it as 241 is less than 324. See, 241 is less than 324. Next, here we have 342 and here 335. Children, as I told, in 3-digit number we should compare the number which is on hundreds place, but on both the sides we have 100. See, on this number also in hundreds place we have 3, and in this number also we have hundreds in 3. So both the numbers are equal. So what you have to do? Now you should compare the numbers which are on tens place. You should compare the number which are on tens place. So here we have 4 in tens and here we have 3 in tens. So 4 is greater than 3. So that means 342 is greater than 335. Children, if on tens place also we have same number, then you should compare the numbers which are on ones place. Next, let's do exercise 5.6. First question, circle the bigger numbers. So children, in these two numbers, this is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number, and 2-digit number is always less than a 3-digit number. So the bigger number here is 168. Next, 102 and 195. On hundreds place we have 1. So what we have to do? We should compare the numbers which are on tens place. So here we have 0, here we have 9. So this is the bigger one. Next, 416 and 419. Children, on hundreds and tens we have same number. So we should compare which is on ones place. So 6 and 9. 9 is the bigger number. So circle 419. Next, circle the smaller numbers. So we have number 884 and 799. So what you have to do? In 3-digit number you should compare the numbers which are on hundreds place. So 8 and 7. So 7 is smaller than 8. So the smaller number here is 799. And 105 and 101. On both the places we have 1 and 0, 1 and 0. We should compare the number which is on tens place. So 5 and 1. 1 is less than 5. So this 101 is the smaller number. Next, 428 and 452. Children, on hundreds place we have same number. So we should compare the numbers which are on tens place. So we have 2 and 5. 2 is smaller than 5. So circle 428 here. Next question. Write the predecessor of smaller numbers. Children, predecessor is nothing but before numbers. So before writing the predecessor, you should find the smaller number first. So 568 and 543. So this 543 is the smaller one. What is the predecessor of 543? 542. Next, 876 and 879. So the smaller number here is 876, and the predecessor of 876 is 875. Next, 456 and 356. So which is the smaller number, children? 356 is smaller one. So the predecessor of 356 is 355. Next, 675 and 766. So children, among these two, 675 is the smaller one. So 674 is the predecessor of 675. Next, fourth question. Write the successor of bigger numbers. Children, what is the successor? Successor is nothing but the after numbers. So before writing the successor, you should find the bigger number first. From 668 and 643, 668 is the bigger one, and the successor of 668 is 669. Next, from these two numbers, 886 is bigger one, and the successor of this number is 887. Next, 457 and 356. From these two numbers, the bigger number is 457, and the successor of this number is 458. Next, 679 and 666. So the bigger number here is 679. The successor of 679 is 680. So thank you, children, and be perfect in comparison of numbers and predecessor and successor. Thank you, and be ready for the next class. Allah Hafiz.